YouTube has launched its TikTok rival, YouTube Shorts, initially in India. It's the first place we're seeing it. And it makes sense to me because they had the real TikTok ban. Mm-hmm. The real deal. None of this flip-flop, wishy-washy. I don't know what I want to do.
Yeah.
Kind of thing. This was night-night. Mm-hmm. Holy moly. And so YouTube rushed to get this product out. Instagram did the exact same thing in that market. This is 15 seconds or less short-form videos using a new set of creator tools, including a multi-segment camera, similar to TikTok, speed controls, timer countdown. They've also got a big music library because YouTube has one of those. They kind of have an advantage there, trying to get people into the short-form video. So you're going to edit the whole thing. They're trying to kind of lower the barrier to entry on content creation, which TikTok has done a great job of. Mm-hmm. And so you're going to have this, whatever it is, plus button right within the app if you're seeing this currently on Android. By the way, Android first, iOS later. Not such a big deal in India. Not a huge iOS footprint anyways. Mostly Android user base. It's also going to have an impact on the home page. There's going to be a new row on the YouTube homepage for watching just short videos, and you will actually navigate those videos in the exact same fashion you did on TikTok. You will scroll like this up and down. You know, the addictive nature of all that. So they decided against this, any kind of separate app. It will happen within the app, and it'll be a side piece to whatever's already happening on YouTube. Now, this has no bearing on the US, by the way. This is not scheduled to launch. This is kind of what surprised me. I would have assumed that this was coming everywhere and soon. But they're being kind of, the official line from YouTube is, this is a test. We're figuring this out.
Just like a soft launch.
We're going to see how it goes. And I'm curious to see what the response is because it is quite a bit different from what YouTube currently is. Now, YouTube has adopted features from other social media. Stories showed up and they get used more or less. I mean, I don't watch stories all that much on YouTube, but I'm sure people do. They brought in community posts. YouTube is always paying attention to trying to change things, sometimes for the better, sometimes for the worse. We'll see how this goes down. They get to test in India with, a defined subset of people and then take their learnings and maybe apply it to the rollout if they do choose to do it elsewhere. Mm-hmm. I know people are going to want it regardless. Mm-hmm. People love this stuff, Will.
Yeah.
They got the songs right in there. They put up the short videos, 15 seconds. So if all goes well in India, and also if you're in India watching this, I'm curious if you have the feature, if the feature showed up for you yet, and if you see yourself using it. And also what the percentage split that you would watch shorts on YouTube versus long form or longer. It's hard to call it long form. I mean, there's a lot of like 3-minute, 4-minute stuff on YouTube, but